Equivalent problem 7. E equals n open parenthesis and 30. 2. B equals plot open parenthesis 4.5 close parenthesis. C equals str open parenthesis 50 and close parenthesis. D equals bool open parenthesis 1 and close parenthesis. That true. E equals less open parenthesis 1 comma 2 comma 3 close parenthesis. If equals tuple open parenthesis 4 comma 5 comma 6 close parenthesis. G equals dict open parenthesis A equals 1 comma B equals 2 comma C equals 3 close parenthesis. H equals range open parenthesis 5 close parenthesis. I it's complex open parenthesis 1 comma 2 close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis A comma type open parenthesis A close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis B comma type open parenthesis B close parenthesis. Print C comma type open parenthesis C close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis D comma type open parenthesis D. And 15. Print open parenthesis A comma type open parenthesis A close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis F comma type open parenthesis F close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis G comma type open parenthesis G close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis list close parenthesis H comma type close parenthesis H. Print open parenthesis I comma type close parenthesis I. And the purpose of this code demonstrate how to explicitly convert values from one data type to another using typecasting function in Python. Typecasting is essential when you need a value to be treated as a specific data type or for further operation.